Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make this beautiful beaded pattern, and it's very easy with some basic stitches. We will make this pattern. So let's go ahead and start making this one. Okay, for this project, I have taken cotton 4-ply yarn of mustard color, and I've added some beads to this thread or to this yarn already so that I can use them along with my stitches. And I have used a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm. So we will start making this pattern by a base chain of 30 plus 3. You can take multiple of 6, so you can take as many as you want. Just add 3 more stitches to it. Remember, it should be multiple of 6. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I have made total of 33 chains. 30 plus 3. Now from fifth chain, on fifth chain from hook 1 2 3 4 and 5, I'll start making my flower pattern. So here in this, okay, I've made my camera a little bit closer so that would be quite clear for us to understand. 1 2 3 4 5. In the fifth chain, I'll start making my first flower. So I'll make double crochet cluster 1 and 2 double crochet, and I'll grab my yarn and I'll pull through 3 of them, 3 loops. Then I'll make 1 2 and 3 chains, and once again I'll make 2 double crochet cluster in the same gap, 1 and 2, and I'll pull through 3 of the loops. Now at this point I'll take one of my beads, one of my pearl here, like this. I'll add one of my pearl here. I'll grab my yarn and I'll make 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, this, and I'll push this a bit on the front side, and I'll make one more double crochet cluster in the same stitch, 1 and 2, and I'll pull through 3 of the loops. So my first flower with bead is ready. From front it will look like this. Okay, now I'll not make any of the chains. I just leave 5 chains, base chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and in the sixth one I'll start making my flower. Again, two double two double crochet cluster 3 times. This is 1 chain, 3 2, and here I'll take one more pearl here. It's just my pearls are a bit, okay. Here's my pearl, and now I'll make 3 chains by pushing this pearl here, 1 2 and 3, and I'll make my last set of 2 double crochet cluster here in the same chain space, like this. So 2 of my flowers are ready now. Now I'll keep making like this with the gap of 5 chains. I'll leave 5 chains here, 1 2 3 4 5, and in the sixth one I'll make flower of 3 petals, 2 double crochet cluster. So this is 1, 3 chains. I'll make 1 double crochet cluster, second one, I'll take this pearl here. I'll make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. I'll push this back a little and I'll make my last petal of 2 double crochet cluster in the same stitch, 1 and 2, like this. Our pattern so far looks like this. So I'll complete it till here, till end of my row, and I'll see you then. Okay, so I'm done with my 5 flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now I am going to do a single crochet on my last stitch like this. Now I'll take a turning chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'll turn my work and I'll do a single crochet behind this pearl like this. I'll take 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'll make single crochet behind this pearl. Likewise, I have to complete this second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and single crochet behind this, taking both the strands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet behind this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet behind this pearl. And now finally we have to make chain 2 and a double crochet in the last chain here. Sorry, double crochet here in the last chain like this. So far our work looked like this after first and second round. Now I'll repeat my first round by taking a turning chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and again I'll start making flower in this single crochet which we have taken. So 3 double crochet clusters, 1, chain 3, the second double crochet cluster, I'll take one pearl here, I'll make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and the third double crochet cluster, 1 and 2, like this. Now again, without taking any chain, in the second single crochet we will make a flower again of 3 2 double crochet cluster. This 1, 2, 3, then second 2 double crochet cluster. I'll take one pearl here, move it at front, 1, 2, 3, and I'll make the last 2 double crochet cluster here. Okay, likewise I'll complete this round here, the first round which we are repeating as a third round. I'll see you here. Alright, my third round is completed now, and I'm finishing this round by taking a slip stitch on this third stitch here. Sorry, a single crochet on this third stitch, and my round is completed. Now for fourth round, which is a repeat of second round, I'll make 6 chains up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again I'll make a single crochet behind this pearl, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a single crochet behind this pearl, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 behind this pearl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet behind this purl, 1 2 3 4 5, single crochet behind this purl, 1 2, and I'll make a double crochet on this third stitch here. So far our work looks like this after completion of 4 rounds. So I'll go ahead and make few more rounds, and I'll see you then when we see how our pattern looks when it gets extended. Alright, so far my work looked like this, and I have done 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16 rows. So the pattern will go similarly like this on and on, and you can continue making this pattern. This will look very beautiful for your handbags and for your shawl, for your summer shawl and for your scarves. So keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.